Hello everyone, so in today's video we will see how to buy and sell Ergo NFT in SkyHarbor. So we will head on to skyharbor.io. So it's its homepage. Here you can see top collections and recently listed Ergo NFTs. This is a marketplace page. Here you can sort NFTs from low to high, high to low and in alphabetic order. And here tab for collection. Here you can see all the NFT projects collection. So in trending there is on first Anita Angels with 2455 Ergo weekly volume, and second Ergo Nodes with 598 Ergo volume. And here you can select any project if you want to buy NFTs from Anita Angel. Here you can choose NFTs and you can sort price from low to high in alphabetic order. And this is activity page. Here you can see all the activities, recent activities. So this has a test NFT is sold in 1 ago, 2 hours ago, from this wallet to this wallet. And here you can see Ergo Explorer link for the transaction. So this is FAQ page. Here you can see some questions and their answers. Here is the team. CryptoGoka has a 1 Kenobi and Garasive Blessing. So if you want to sell your NFT from Nautilus wallet, so you have to connect to a wallet. It's only support now Nautilus wallet. So here it will show me all the NFT which I owned in this wallet. For sale, I have no any NFT for sale and sold. So now we will sell NFT. So now I want to sell this Ergo NFT, screaming Ergo NFT. So I want to check at what price I can sell this NFT. So I will check its rank on ergo.com, screaming Ergo official website. Here you can see Goat Tracker 9000. I have generation 1 NFT. So yeah, I can check my AR code rank. So its number is 00483. 00483. So my rarity is 372 out of 670. And here I can see on the collection page what is the floor price and what is the average price of my NFT, because it's not ultra rare, so I cannot put any high amount. And so I think the average pricing will be between 25 to 40. So here I just have, if I want to sell this NFT, just I have to click on sell button. Here it will ask for listing price. So if I want to list this NFT on 35 Ergo, so artist royalty is 5% and service fee is 2%, and after that if my NFT has been sold I will earn 32.55 Ergo. So now I want to, here you can select in what you want to sell, Ergo or 6 USD. So I want to sell this NFT in Ergo. I will just click on submit sale. It will ask me to sign a transaction, so I have to enter my password. And it's done. So till it's confirming my transaction. We'll see this side. So we will see some SkyHarbor feature, artist verification. So currently in Ergo ecosystem, the SkyHarbor is the only marketplace where you can see verified artist collections. You have to fill the form. From here you can see how can I verify my NFT collection. Here you have to fill out this form and you can read artist guidelines and rule to be verified on SkyHarbor. And in instant transaction, as you see, only in 1 or 2 steps you can buy and sell NFTs. It's not much complicated. Speed is improved, and it also enable royalty payments like Ergo auction out like 5% of all the NFTs collection will go to artist. And there are some future SkyHarbor features. They will add marketplace data that will allow both artists and buyers to track their histories of NFTs, at what price every time an NFT has been sold and by developing documentation to enable smart contract marketplace API to be used by anyone. Create a mass minter. So currently you can only mine one NFT at a time, but in future you can mint NFT in bulk. Vending machine. SkyHarbor is working on its own vending machine. There will be interface through which buyers can buy any number of Ergo NFTs without a predetermined maximum limit. So these all are the features or future SkyHarbor features, and it is developed by Ergo Sor NFT line, as you know the name Crypto Coca, and Hazivan Kanobi and Karasevic Blesson is co-founder of SkyHarbor. So our transaction has one confirmation, and now it's listed on 35 Ergo. My NFT is listed on 35 Ergo, my PR code NFT, and I can also see my NFT on this page. Artcreate recently listed my NFT. So is as simple, and now we will see how we can buy NFTs on SkyHarbor. So we'll see. Let's buy this 0.15 Ergo. Now, so simply you have to click on buy. You need a Nautilus wallet. So if you don't have a Nautilus wallet and you want a guide on Nautilus wallet, so I will attach my Nautilus wallet link. I have made a video on how to make Nautilus wallet. Here I have to write my password. So it's done, and we can see this on Explorer. So it's hardly take 1 or 2 minutes to confirm the transaction, and it will be sold. So now you can see the transaction has been confirmed, and we have received NFT which I bought, window NFTs. So that's all, and that's how easy it is to buy and sell Ergo NFTs on SkyHarbor. So that's all for the today. See you soon in the next video.